What if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing in companies worth hundreds of billions? You can own a fraction of them with just a few dollars. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down how fractional shares can turn small, consistent investments into serious long-term wealth. And yes, we're talking about the math behind potentially building a portfolio worth millions or, on a massive institutional scale, billions. Let's get real. Fractional shares don't magically make you rich. Your advantage is consistency, time, diversification, and compounding. Here's how it works. Suppose a stock trades at $500 per share. Instead of needing $500, your brokerage might allow you to invest $25 and receive 0.05 shares. If that company doubles, your investment doubles too. Now imagine doing that repeatedly. You invest $100 every week, or about $5,200 per year. Instead of waiting until you can afford expensive stocks, every dollar gets put to work according to your strategy. Step 1. Build around quality, not hype. Rather than chasing the next viral stock, consider companies or broad market ETFs with strong businesses, sustainable economics, and long-term growth potential. Fractional investing makes it easier to spread your money across multiple assets. Step 2. Automate the process. This is where fractional shares become incredibly powerful. Set up recurring investments so that money enters your portfolio automatically. You don't have to ask yourself every Monday, should I invest today? The goal isn't to perfectly predict the market, it's to consistently participate in it. Step 3. Reinvest dividends. Imagine owning fractional shares that pay dividends. When those dividends are automatically reinvested, you can purchase additional fractions of shares. Those additional shares can potentially produce more dividends and the cycle continues. That's compounding. Here's a simplified illustration. If you invested $500 per month and earned an average annual return of 8%, you'd contribute $300,000 over 25 years, while the portfolio could grow to roughly $475,000. Increase the contribution, extend the timeline, or earn a different return, and the outcome changes dramatically. But here's the part most YouTube videos won't tell you. A multi-billion-dollar portfolio isn't a realistic personal investing target for most people. To reach $1 billion through market investing alone requires extraordinary starting capital, enormous contributions, decades of compounding, exceptional returns, or some combination of all four. So don't obsess over the billion-dollar headline. Use the concept as a mindset shift. Fractional shares remove the excuse that you need to be rich before you can start investing. Start with what you can genuinely afford, diversify, keep costs low, reinvest, increase contributions as your income grows, and most importantly, give compounding enough time to work. Because the real flex isn't owning one expensive share. It's owning thousands of tiny pieces of great assets and letting time turn those pieces into something much bigger. If this video changed how you think about investing, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm starting with what I have. And remember, this is educational content, not personalized financial advice. Always research investments and understand the risks before putting your money to work.